Carrie Lake is not. He would not pick Carrie Lake because of her, because he would then be vulnerable to saying that's somebody who Trump endorsed.
Yeah.
She's a totally loyal Trump supporter. You don't need and so as you said, Trump has baggage out there.
Thanks, Tim.
And if you, and you're the one who said, she said he's got his baggage. Well, his baggage is also the people that he supported. But look, I think that, I know there are people out there that think, Trump should continue to stay and he'll be great and everything else. Everybody has a shelf life. I've covered this long enough where I know everybody has. Newt Gingrich, when Newt Gingrich passed in '94, when they got the contract with America, when they won in '94, I don't know of a Republican Speaker of the House that was so universally adored.
Oh no, he was practically deified.
But what was it?
In a conservative way.
Was it 97 or 98? I forgot when he it's like he lost an election, he was gone.
Yep.
Done. Yep. And then he sat on the bench with Nancy Pelosi.
There was the proverbial nail. Yeah.
866-90 Red Eye.
We'll be right back with more Red Eye Radio with Eric Harley and Gary McNamara.
Join the conversation using the Shell Rotella hotline, 866-907-3339. Red Eye Radio at Shell Rotella. What matters is inside.
Do you suffer from lower back pain? Whether it's the dull, nagging ache you get from working on your feet all day, or that sharp stabbing pain you experience driving down a bumpy road, that awful feeling can radiate all the way down your leg and completely ruin your day. But there's good news. A unique formula called Maximum Strength Back-Aid is available with powerful medicine that effectively relieves temporary minor lower back, leg, or joint pain and stiffness. Maximum Strength Back-Aid helps relieve the pain of inflammation and the pressure-related discomfort that can radiate pain down your legs, like with sciatica. Back-Aid's 6-hour formula provides maximum strength over-the-counter pain relief. That's why customers consistently rate Back-Aid 5 stars. Get effective back pain relief. Join the thousands who have found 5-star relief with Maximum Strength Back-Aid. Pull into a Walmart or CVS now to get Back-Aid in the blue box in the pain relief aisle. Use as directed.
Sponsored by Alva and Co. Sitting behind the wheel all day takes its toll with things like hemorrhoids. You need something strong. You need the strength of Recticare Advance, the strongest lidocaine hemorrhoid medication you can get without a prescription. Pull into Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, or CVS Pharmacy now. Look for the blue and white box where hemorrhoid treatments are sold. Recticare Advance has 2 powerful medicines: lidocaine to relieve pain fast and phenylephrine to reduce swelling. That's why it has thousands of 5-star reviews. Get fast hemorrhoid relief with Recticare Advance and get back on the road. Sponsored by Ferndale Healthcare.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we're proud to bring you the Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club. We've been saluting drivers who have surpassed the million-mile mark with preventable, accident-free driving. By reaching this milestone, you can be a part of an elite club of drivers who share remarkable safety records and demonstrate superior driving skills. If you or someone you know is a truck driver with 1 million miles or more of driving under your belt without a preventable accident, register online at RedEyeRadioShow.com. That's RedEyeRadioShow.com. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club would not be possible without the generous support of the fine folks from Petro Stopping Centers, House Lubricator, Motel 6, the St. Christopher Fund, and Cat Scale. We applaud the individual truckers and fleets who drive with care and keep our highways safe. The Red Eye Radio Million Mile Club, devoted to trucking safety. Register online at RedEyeRadioShow.com.
The St. Christopher Truckers Relief Fund is excited to offer our new diabetes prevention program, Driving Down Diabetes. This free, CDC-approved year-long program includes live webinars focusing on nutrition, exercise, stress management, and more. This program is for those at risk not already diagnosed with diabetes. Visit our website at truckersfund.org and take the risk assessment under the Health and Wellness tab. This prevention program is sponsored by Southern Recipe. Get registered today at truckersfund.org. Safewayfun.org.
Come strengthen your pack at the new Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca. With over 50 attractions, we wanted to see how many we can name in the remaining seconds of this ad.
River Canyon Run, Oliver's Moonstone Maze, Tin Paw Bowling, Howler's Peak Ropes Course, Magi Quest, Slaptail Pond Wave Pool, Build-A-Bear Workshop, Storytime, a 4-story waterfall.
Only 40 more to go. And now that a getaway to Great Wolf Lodge in Manteca is just a short ride away, families have time to experience every attraction at the lodge. Great Wolf Lodge, strengthen the pack.
Hi, this is Stephanie from Safeway with great news. You can earn Safeway rewards with each purchase you make. Then use your rewards for discounts on groceries or up to 20 cents off per gallon in gas rewards at participating Chevron or Texaco stations and up to $1 off per gallon at participating Safeway fuel stations. Not a member? Register for an account with your phone number at checkout and start earning rewards today. Restrictions and exclusions apply. Learn more at safeway.com/for-you. This is Stephanie from Safeway, and we'll see you soon.
Universal Studios Hollywood is where the holidays come together. We've tested it. Festive food with refreshing Coca-Cola. Family, friends, and fa la la. Dazzling lights cranked up to maximum merriment. The Grinch and his dog Max stealing your dream. All the science adds up. It's the awesomest celebration of the season. Save $20 on a Coca-Cola 2-day general admission ticket. Offer ends 12/14/22. Restrictions apply. Details at universalstudioshollywood.com/Coke-offer.
O'Reilly Auto Parts specializes in keeping your car on the road. Not sure how much life is left in your battery? Our professional parts people will test it for free. If it does need to be replaced, we'll help you find just the right one to fit your car. Our Superstar batteries are built to handle even the toughest conditions. Visit O'Reilly Auto Parts today.
O'Reilly Auto Parts.
It's Red Eye Radio. He's Eric Harley, and I'm Gary McNamara, 86690 Red Eye. By the way, the last caller brought up Carrie Lake. She's only 0.6 of a point out of the lead. That race still hasn't been called for governor of Arizona. Masters is supposed to 100,000 down. I think she's down. I forgot, it's like 13,000. And so many believe that what's left to be counted in Arizona, that she has a great chance of winning there. And even though she was endorsed by Trump, one thing she did, she was extremely focused, as was J.D. Vance. They were extremely focused on the 5 or 6 issues that are really, really important. Even that being said, though, J.D. Vance way underperformed what the governor did there, as we mentioned. The governor won by 25. He won last I saw by 6.5. It's a huge disparity.
This is Red Eye Radio on Westwood One.
If you like listening to Red Eye on Demand, we have more of Eric Harley and guests for you. Download RER's Extra Mile podcast. More topics and issues discussed.
Hi, Tom Bodette from Motel 6. Reminding you to get the bugs off your windshield with one of those free squeegees the next time you pull over for gas. Makes it easier to spot the next Motel 6, where you can get a clean, comfortable room at a great low rate and a break from the road. They don't have free squeegees, but they do have showers, which is kind of a human squeegee, I guess. I'm Tom Bodette from Motel 6, and we'll leave the line open for you.
Tired of chasing the spot market and high fuel prices? Bring stability to your business with Mercer Transportation. They offer fuel discounts, fast pay after every load, plenty of freight with over 3,100 customers, and over 500,000 loads per year. No company trucks to compete with, and discounts on tires, insurance, and other services. Pick your own loads or let their load coordinators help you find the right freight for your truck. Visit mercertown.com today for more details. That's mercertown.com.
Rise and shine, truckers. It's time for today's Roll Haul. I'm hauling coffee.
I'm hauling books.
Cheers.
And I'm still hauling coffee. From hauling coffee to more coffee, Progressive Commercial saves safe truckers an average of $3,740 when they share their ELD data with us. Get a quote in as little as 5 minutes at progressivecommercial.com.
Progressive Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates. Same customers based on FMCSA inspections, driving history, and other data for for-hire transportation. Not available in all states. Savings not guaranteed. At renewal, driving data could increase or decrease premiums.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted to trucking safety. That's why we're proud to bring